Four Army officers being blamed for the bungled military operation in Barka Basilan last year will have their day tomorrow before the court-martial. 19 soldiers were killed in that incident. I am Makalma with the details.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines is expediting the case of the four senior military officers on trial for the Barka Basilan ambush in October last year. They are being blamed for alleged lapses in military operations that resulted in 19 soldiers killed in an ambush by Abu Sayyaf bandits. The four officers are facing charges of violating Articles of War 84 on military property, willful or negligent loss, Articles of War 96, conduct unbecoming of an officer and a gentleman, and Articles of War 97 on disorders and neglects to the prejudice of good order and military discipline. It took 5 months to present the pieces of evidence to the General Court-Martial, and tomorrow will be the first oral argument for Colonel Amincadra Undog, Colonel Alexander Macario, Lieutenant Colonel Orlando Edralin, and Lieutenant Colonel Leonard Peña for them to prove that there were no lapses when they made the operation.
The four separate cases are being tried jointly in view of common witnesses and pieces of evidence presented. This is, again, to fast-track yung proceedings. Because according to the Chief of Staff, meron tayong involved na 4 officers, and those other parties concerned, for all the parties concerned, this is already taking toll on them, whether emotionally, physically, and financially.
Burgos added that whenever one officer is accused, a lot is sacrificed, including their promotion. He said the AFP remains firm in going after lawless elements involved in past atrocities, including the Barka incident. Burgos expressed optimism that with the historical signing of the framework agreement between the government and Moro Islamic Liberation Front, the MILF will cooperate in surrendering their own members who are facing charges.
The MILF will cooperate with the Philippine government, with our government. With the signing of the framework agreement, it is expected that the MILF will cooperate and help the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police in pursuing armed lawless elements and other threat groups. So, kasama na rin lahat dito kung sino man yung mga nagkasala.
For the People's Television, I am Makalma.